In this video, I'll be showing you how to blur background in OBS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do is go ahead and go over to your browser of choice, and then you're going to go over and type in background removal / virtual screen, green screen, and low light. So you're going to see that as an option, whenever you search it up. So what we want to go ahead and do is once we go ahead and find that, we're going to see this background removal option. We're going to go over to the download page. It's going to look like this, and then all I want to do is I want to download the zip file. You just want to make sure it's the latest version. So I'm going to download this x64 zip. Now all you want to do once it's done and open, I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to move it to my desktop right here. Now what we can do is we can extract it. So I'm going to extract it to the exact folder, and then once it's extracted, just go ahead and find the folder that you just basically made. Now, in my instance, my folder is right here, and it's going to look like this. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy this folder exactly. Then I'm going to go to this PC, local disk C, and then program files. But I'm going to go ahead and click here, take away files, and then type in program data, one word, and just go onto it like this. Now, all I want to go ahead and do is once I'm in this folder, go ahead and find OBS Studio. So it's obviously going to be on O, and make sure it's OBS Studio and not OBS Studio Hook. And then once you're in here, go within plugins, and then you're going to see any different plugins you have. And all you want to do is copy and paste that OBS background removal option right there. Now all I want to do is go over to OBS, and then once I'm in OBS, I'm going to see a lot of different things. But all you want to do is go onto filters on your camera, press the plus icon, and then you're going to see a background removal option. However, you just got to obviously, restart your OBS. I'm using it to record right now, but it's going to be right here, and then it's going to be on 100% by default. But if you, lower the percentage, then you're going to see a blur instead of the background removal. And then after that, you'll be good to go.